Alrighty. Should drop the volume a little bit. It's a little loud. Cool. Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to have some fun. We're going to be very much goofing off today. We're going to be building something, like actually trying to build a real project. But it's going to be a very silly project. So, yeah. I'm currently looking for a... I don't want the enterprise solution. What is this? Did Appy Pie just go enterprise? Ooh, interesting. Appy Pie Plus. No, that's gross. So I'm currently looking for a chatbot tool that we can use to make... Here's a chatbot builder. To make some sort of a really, really basic, stupid dating sim. So... I'm very excited about it. I have a very, very silly series of ideas. Unlimited chatbots, all integrations. Yes. 1,000 hands off, all integrations. Agent white labeling. Interesting. So I guess 100 handoffs. What's a handoff? So yeah, should be a whole lot of fun. Supposedly, today, I gave a couple presentations yesterday to a few classes at CMU, at Carnegie Mellon, my alma mater. It was wonderful, very exciting, had a lot of fun. But, a few of the kids that I was talking to, a few of the students, had heard of me through their roommates. Because their roommate went through a program called the Innovation Scholars, which was really, really good for me, and I really liked it. And so they were in the class, and they texted her and took pictures of me. I think I saw them doing it. It's so funny, saying, "Oh my gosh, it's the entrepreneur," as a big meme. So they might be on today. So if there's any CMU kiddos on today, hit me up. Would love it if you said hi. Sorry if I embarrassed you at all. So, today we're going to be goofing off. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited about it. Yeah. Really quick, let me do my intro. Also, I'm a little bit sick. I don't know why. Yesterday, I just started feeling sick. I was traveling a bunch. I thought it was just allergies, but I think I'm getting a little bit sicky. Nothing serious. I think it's just a cold. But my throat feels all swollen. My tonsils feel all swollen. My tonsils are already big, so if I have any trouble talking, that is the reason. Excuse me. Pardon. But yeah, my name is Max. This is Entrepreneur. Yeehaw. We're sponsored by Restream. Restream is a wonderful company. I'm using it right now. It's a wonderful tool. I'm using it right now. You can stream to multiple different places all at once. I'm streaming to LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Twitch at the same time, and I'm monitoring everything in the same place. It's a great tool. So if you want to get started with it, just let me know. Would love to help you do that. I have a little code that helps you save some money. Cool. Awesome. Let me show you what I'm looking at. This is what I'm kind of looking for. Hold on, let me turn on the top bar with the No Code Nerd top bar. Turn on the eNerd top bar. Yes, cool, great. Okay, that's a lot of fun. How do I stop it from sucking? Okay, that looks good. Perfect. And then the bottom bar. Yes, there we go. Perfect. Unprofessional. Cool. So, I'm looking for chatbots right now. Because I have a really stupid idea to build a meme dating sim based around tech, right? This is not going to be necessarily a super profitable project. It could be in the future, right? We could make something really serious and launch it on Steam if there's popularity here. So there is a potential business model here. But the idea just right now is to build and test something and just make a really, really simple MVP, a really basic introduction to a tech-focused dating sim. And when I mean tech, I mean all of the bad parts of tech. So VCs, venture capitalists, the richest people in the world, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and then maybe like just some Silicon Valley BS, right? The reason that I'm doing this is because apparently it's enough of a niche that people can build video games there, right? I didn't think it was enough of a niche. We played this game a little while ago. It's called Going Under. Oh my gosh. It was called Going Under, and Going Under is hilarious. It's this little hack and slash dungeon crawler that's just constantly making fun of tech and how everybody drinks coffee and how everybody there's tons of like cases of like workplace misconduct and sexual abuse, right, or sexual just assault and being really creepy. There was a boss monster. I don't know, just the fact that it's male dominated, overly aggressive. A lot of it's going in the completely wrong direction because nobody actually cares what they're making as long as they're making money. Just a lot of things like that. They were memeing on a lot of things like that, and it was hilarious. It was such a fun game. I really enjoyed all the jokes in it. Now, we beat that. We had a lot of fun. Or I beat that. I beat it off screen or off camera, I think. It was hilarious. It was very, very funny. And I got the idea that like there could be more games here, right? There could be totally more games in that space. And one thing that I think would be really, really shareable on something like Twitter or a bunch of other little platforms around the tech space, just as a meme, would be we make fun of tech in a dating sim. I think it would be hilarious because I've watched a ton of dating sim games recently online and just they're really funny. People have made all sorts of really stupid dating sims, like such dumb things. Like somebody made a dating sim about pigeons, dating pigeons. It's hilarious. So that's the idea. And so I want to create a really, really simple lo-fi prototype because there are a few like visual novel builders out there. It's very interesting. I wonder if this is what we need. Because this looks pretty simple. This looks nice. Visual novels, visual novel engine, visual interface that builds transcripts functionality, and produce multi-platform visual novels easier and faster than ever. First catalog titles, free materials, available from the below sites and creators. They contain no safe for work. There's a couple of very, very simple little tools right here. Like I can buy this one on Steam right now for under $10, which is probably what I would do because all the other chatbots are like $30 a month. But I was thinking, if there was a free builder, like a free chatbot builder, right? Because we could just make a text-based version of this in a really simple way. I was looking at AppyPie. It looks like we can do everything we need, right? It looks like we can do everything we need. I think. Basic pre-built templates, appointment and roster management. What's up, Joe? How's it going? Good to see you here. I'm not tired today, but I am sick. So, that's the big meme apparently, is that every single time I get on one of my streams here, I'm always like, oh, I'm exhausted. Which is true. Because I never like waking up. I always wake up like 5 minutes before my stream. Because that's just kind of the professional man that I am. Anyway. Yeah. So we're looking at chatbots right here. And I might try to mess with this chatbot. Let's go with this. Enter your bot name. Dating sim. Tech dating sim. Live chatbot. Answer bot. Instant precise answers automatically. I wonder if this will work. Performance review bot. Create a bot from scratch. Here we go. Create accounts. I wonder if this will work. I'm curious. I'm gonna go here. You're at the youth center? Yay! That's fun. I love it. That's great. Tell everybody hi for me. Boom. Sign up. I'm looking forward to I am looking forward to the competition that I get to judge at the youth center soon. It does sound like a lot of fun. So I'll have to drive, which is always an experience. But I think it'll be really fun. I had a ton of fun when I came there. I met you. Like it was a great time. I can only recommend it. So yeah, quite fun. All right. edit it by clicking on it. Next. You can make changes, look and feel of the widget. Next. So you have to change to like click on the button, save changes, and tour. Okay. Widget badge style. Text dating sim. Chatbot avatar. Oh, interesting. Oh man, could I change the avatar? Because that would be really funny. Yeah, I can upload my own avatar. So let's make. Hold on, let's upload our own avatar. One second. Contact icon. Yeah, there we go. This. Save image as. So dumb. Okay, upload my own. Downloads this. Boom. Easy. Okay. Basic settings. Great. Theme color. Let's do red. No, let's do blue. For softness. What's up, Whipch? How's it going? Good to see you here. Okay. This looks good. Save it next. This is a node with which you can define the flow of the conversation. Click on this button on the node's text to edit it. Click on this option to add new nodes. Once you made changes in the chatbot's flow, click on this button to save the changes. And tour. Cool. Awesome. Okay. Let's get started. Add new bot message. Maybe it'll be date selector, gender, file upload, add handoffs. What's a handoff? Oh no, that's not what we want. We want a handoff. Delete. Yes. I wonder. Capture name, phone number, country, date of birth, button. Perfect. Perfect. This is easy. We can straight up make a choose your own adventure in this fucking chatbot, which is hilarious. Okay. This is so funny. This is so unbelievably funny. What's up, Toast? So we're goofing off today. We're making and I know you're gonna hate this. I'm still working on the simulation. I still have not finished it, and they're bugging me to finish it. So I gotta plug it down on that. But I've built enough like app stuff on the show. I just need to finish a bunch of work and really put my head down this week. So I'm finishing all that, and then we're gonna move on and try to start scraping on some of the weekend sessions. More information for beta, which is great. So we have 2 serious products being launched, which is awesome. But right now, we're just fucking off, and we are building a dating simulator. And it's a very common little format of video game. It's like a visual novel, right, where you walk through and there's a bunch of images, and it simulates conversations with like hot guys, hot girls, right? Or just like people. There have been really, really stupid dating sims that people have built where you're dating pigeons, right? It's just it's a very common form of game. I don't know why. I absolutely hate it. But we're building a dating simulator around tech and making fun of Silicon Valley. Remember how we played on the weekend streams Going Under, right? Going Under, where the game was entirely based, it was a dungeon crawler, it was hack and slash, but it was based entirely on the meme of building technology companies, right? And how all this stupid shit happens. We're going to do the same thing with a dating simulator, where you're dating like Jeff Bezos, but we're going to call him like Beth Jezos. Where you're dating like, you're trying to date Elon Musk and a bunch of like top VCs, like all these really stupid things, like popular people on Twitter. I think it'd be hilarious. And I think it would share, the reason that I'm interested in it is because I think it would share really well on things like Twitter. I think it would just be enough of a meme that people would talk about it, and we want to make it really accessible. So I'm creating a beta version on, we'll do Bill Gates. We'll do Bill Gates. We'll do Bill Gates too. He's back in the dating market. Then we can make a joke about his recent divorce. Though I hope he is okay. But we're going to create a really simulated version because I can go here and buy this thing like $10. I can create my own visual novel, right? But I'm going to need art. So if people, if I'm able to find somebody that can actually draw like decent art, and I wouldn't need a ton of art because there's only going to be like 3 or 4 main characters. I wouldn't need a ton of art. If I can get people to like help me create some art, or I can find some simple art online of like an anime Bill Gates, an anime Elon Musk, or things like that, right? Then I could absolutely build like a full visual novel and make it this huge fucking meme, and it would be hilarious. That said, I think right now a really accessible, simple, text-based version that you can just use on your phone would be accessible and good to test, right? Good to just test in the market and start memeing about. So we're going to try to create a beta version of that. I think it'd be hilarious. And I'm able to do it for free using AppyPie, which is awesome because some of the other chat tools are like $30 a month. So funny. So unbelievably funny. So let's start with a little intro message. Let's see. Yeah, that's too much. You should seriously consider getting a partner recruiter to do the heavy lifting of these simulations instead of your working on running out of people. Need to focus on design. Yeah, no, I totally get you. So, I'm not really doing anything complex. I just need to put I really haven't put that many hours into it. If the simulation does well, right? Because I'm actually almost done with the simulation. If the simulation does well and everything's good there, I should be fine to test it. I need to probably put in 5 more hours of work, and then I should be good to actually go and beta test it with students, which would be freaking amazing. Zoom in. But we're not there yet, right? I just need to... it's not like I don't have time. It's that I'm just not putting the time in because I have a bunch of other little things. Software is a lot harder to get right than it thinks first. Really good idea to have a small team and multiple eyes reviewing, advising, and trust me on this. No, I agree. I agree completely. I'm not disagreeing. And if people like the simulation, if there's even a remote amount of success, and there's even a possibility that people could buy my simulation and make it actually a product, I'm going to bring on some other people. I need to, because I can't just do it myself. So, but I don't want to hire people when I have absolutely no idea where it's going to go, right? When I have 1 beta or 2 little beta tests and I have no idea if they're actually even going to happen, right? I'll hire somebody when I need to. I will need to probably soon, if that makes sense. So, but I agree completely. Software is a lot harder. So, I will be making that jump soon, if things go well, of course. Okay. Okay. So first of all, so we're gonna make this. Here we go. I have an idea. So this is going to be a dating app. This is going to be we're gonna frame it like a dating app, right? So it should be named, not this. What the heck? What are you doing? No. Chatbot. All chatbots. What the heck? What's going on here? My profile. Personal info. Okay. What the flip-flop? Refresh. Come on, I just made a little chatbot. Okay, I guess I didn't. Create a chatbot. Enter your name. It's not going to be, it's going to be, it's going to be like Tinder. It's going to be like a chat, an automatic pairing like Tinder, but it's going to be with all these high-powered VC blah 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 BS people. So, what's up, Steve? Let's make fun of Bumble. Humble. Let's call it Humble. So our Here we go. Hello, and welcome to Humble. You have been chosen from a lottery. You've been chosen to help us beta test our fabulous new product, new product. You've been chosen to help us beta test our fabulous new product. Okay, that sounds good. You've been chosen to help us beta test our fabulous new product. Plus, message. So it's just going to be another bot message. Something like, here on Humble, we only accept the highest tier movers and shakers in the Silicon Valley. No, it's highest movers, the highest tier movers and shakers in the tech scene. The global tech scene. Except you. Again. You've been randomly chosen. Okay, except you, again, you've been randomly chosen. Okay. Okay. Now, oh, also, really quick, I need to, what is it, settings, we'll figure it out. Okay. Again, you've been randomly chosen, so, and then we just need to add some buttons. No, we don't want to add buttons yet, we want to add a name, because we want to know their name so we can ask their name, right? Capture name. Please provide us with your first name. Please provide us with your first name to so we can get started matching you with the hottest. With the hottest. So start matching you with the hottest techie singles out there. Boom, that's response. Thanks, name. Super excited. I hope you're excited to get started. Blinky face. Save as draft. Awesome. So now it goes, hello, welcome to Humble. Here on Humble, we only accept the highest tier movers and shakers, except you. Again, you've been randomly chosen. Please provide us with your first name so we can get started. My name is Max. Thanks, Max. I hope you're excited to get started. Boom, right? It's already working like cream. Love it. Hilarious. And we gotta change that little bot out. Okay, so since this is a chatbot, people aren't actually typing things to these people, right? Like you would on a dating app. Instead, we're going to frame it like the AI helps you, right? We're going to frame it like the AI helps you make decisions. So, this is, oh my god, I'm loving this already. Like the AI helps you make dating decisions. So, here we only set the highest tier movers and shakers in the global tech scene, except you, again, you've been randomly chosen. Please provide us with your first name so we can get started. Great. Now it's going to give us another bot message. What does it say again? Thanks, Max. I hope you're excited to get started. This is bot message. I hope you're excited to get started. Now, if you didn't already know, Humble is, I'm going to create an answer. I'm going to create a bot to answer the stupid things I send them at 3 a.m. I am going to create a bot. That would be funny. But it's all pretty, well, I don't know. Is there like a standard answer I could give you? I don't think so. I actually want to get really into the Apple shortcuts, right? So when you're on your phone and you're like doing things, just like the people consider that like a no-code app because you can create little automations between apps to do things, right? So if you text me, just yep sounds good. I love that. No, like a lot of the stuff you asked me, I'm awake at 3 a.m. Like I never bothers me to hear from you. That is funny though. But you can create automations on your phone using Apple shortcuts, or if somebody texts you past the hours of this hour and this hour, right, then it automatically sends back this, right? Hey, I'm asleep, right? Something like that. I don't know. I think it'd be really funny. I think it'd be hilarious. So I want to get into those as well because I could create little automations. It's like a little Zapier for your phone. It's kind of cute. Now, if you didn't already know, Humble is AI enabled. Humble is AI enabled. We know dating is hard. We know flirting is hard. It's hard, so we've created, we've developed Humble to solve that problem. So we've developed Humble with that problem in mind. You won't need to make any. I almost like this more. I would love to do a stream about Apple shortcuts. That would be really fun, actually. We might do that on the next stream. It's a good idea. I actually like this more than the actual dating sim. This is funny. This is very funny. Because you can do it on your phone. You don't need to make any, you don't need to write anything yourself or agonize about the proper way to lay down the moves. All you'll need to do is select an option, select one of our predetermined. All you need to do is select one of our predetermined options at each. All you need to do is select one of our predetermined options to make sure you're optimizing your conversations with other Humble members. So, this is basically we're saying this is where we're making a choose your own adventure on a chatbot format look like a dating app that look like a dating app that just gives you options because it doesn't trust you to flirt. It's this dumb AI-enabled product that takes all the humanity out of flirting, right, and talking with an actual other human being. So I feel like it's making fun of tech on like 3 levels. Like, I love this. I love this idea. I'm really, really into this. This is so fucking stupid. So, hello, welcome to Humble. Chosen to help us beta test our fabulous new product. Here on Humble, only accept the highest tier movers and shakers in the global tech scene except you. Again, you've been randomly chosen. Please provide us with your first name so we can get started matching you with the hottest techie singles out there. Max. Thanks, Max. I hope you're excited to get started. Now, if you didn't already know, Humble is AI enabled. We know flirting is hard, so we developed Humble with that problem in mind. You won't need to write anything yourself or agonize about the proper way to lay down the moves. All you need to do is select one of our predetermined options to make sure you're optimizing your conversation with other Humble members. And then wait, I'm gonna say we're gonna give them another button. I'm gonna say something that no one wants to save. Does that sound good, you stud slash queen, you king slash queen slash king slash queen slash ruler. Yep. And then, absolutely. It doesn't even give them an option to say no. I'm cracking myself up with this. This is fucking hilarious. Wait, hold on. Edit this. Branching. No, it doesn't branch. Single selection. Boom. Yep, absolutely. It continues on. Oh, hey, that's super cool. So, Joe, I was thinking of using RPG Maker. Yeah. Is this chatbot that makes a loud sound whenever you go to a website that uses it because it stresses me out? Oh, yeah, the ba-ding? Yeah, it's so much. Hopefully it won't be. That would be funny, though. Man, my tonsils are just killing me today. I can feel them through my neck. Jeez. A little bit sicky today. No fun. All right. Does that sound good, you king slash queen slash ruler? Yep, absolutely. Continues on. All right, cool. So that's a nice little basic setup. And now we're going to have another bot message. Oh. Bot message. Is it not giving me more options? Did we run out of options? Oh, no. If we ran out of options, we're hacked. Oh, no. That ain't no fun. Maybe up here. Bot message. Okay. Interesting that it won't let me. Here, hold on. Okay. So we can add more. We can add more. Everything's fine. Don't freak out, Max. Let's revise with your name, Max. Thanks, Max. Hope you're excited to get started. Hello, members. Does that sound good to you? Yep. Great. Okay, maybe let's edit this. Single selection. Yes. Branching optional. Okay, single selection there. So, yep, and then we move on. And then can I make another bot message here? Yes, I can. Okay, cool. Now we're good. A little bit weird. Beautiful. Let me connect you with your first potential match. Beautiful. I already scanned through all your social media accounts, and I know enough about you to make to start connecting you with cuties. Connecting with cuties, and then this will be like connecting you with your first potential match now. Beautiful. Connecting you with your first potential match now. Awesome. And then we're going to go for another message. What else can we do? Bot questions. So the bot asks a question, so we'll have other people ask a question. Beautiful. Oh, my goodness. What a great freaking time. This is so funny. There's a survey file upload, gender, date selector, currency, survey, cards. What are cards? Ooh. Ooh. I can have a little question option, or a little image option. I gotta say, This is very funny. Card title, card descriptor. This is great. This is awesome. There's so much flexibility that I can do here and just make some really stupid stuff. Okay. What else can we do here? I'm not going to do this. Kind of select your arms from the cards below. No. Delete. Connecting with your first potential match now. Okay, bot message. And it's going to be... Oh! You okay? You alright, chatbot? Uh-oh. Oh no. Did it glitch? Did it flop? I hope it didn't flop. That would be annoying. Let's try to reload. Come on, I believe in you. I hope you saved my progress, because I just did a ton of work. Oh no, it doesn't even... It's having a lot of trouble. Ooh. No chatbots found. Of course. My goodness. Alright. So I gotta save everything at every little interval. That sucks. It's super annoying. Alright, well, we lost all of our work. We lost about half an hour break. That's fine. But you see the point, right? Something really cute and dinky. Let's actually just quickly create something. We'll call it Humble again. But create back from scratch. Let's create something really, really basic and simple, and then save and next. And I want to see how we preview it. So, hello, and welcome to Humble. And welcome to Humble, an AI-enabled dating app for the elite tech movers and shakers in the world. Like tech movers and shakers in the world. Another bot message. You have been randomly selected. To as a beta tester for our the next generation of dating. I like this actually a little bit more. Boo! Which will doesn't have autosave in 2021. I know. Tell me about it. What a rude situation. You've been randomly selected as a beta tester for the next generation of dating. I hope you're excited. I hope you're as excited as we are. Hope you're as excited as we are. And then we'll just give it a couple little selections. So we're going to go for name. Capture name. What is your name? First name. So we can start getting you connected with connect you with the tip-top tech cuties. So we can get started getting you connected with your true love, something like that. I don't know. What's your first name? Thanks, blank. Thanks, name. Just to reiterate, we really are excited. We really are excited. Winky face. So we can start getting your true love. Winky face. Great. Design customization. I'm going to advanced settings. I'm going to upload the same one that I did before. This ominous, a little thing. Back to basic settings, bot flow, great. Start getting connected with your true love. Great. AI enabled, blah, 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 blah. Let's save. Go to next, display as chat widget, display as landing page. Copy and paste this widget code in the body text of each page of your website. No, so we don't want it as a chat widget, we want it as a landing page. Embed in your website. Beautiful. So, let's go and quickly create a little card site. Card.co. So open our dashboard. New site. Blank canvas. Make the background dark because that's literally what I do with everything. Text, make it light, but not too light. Off-white on black. That's my whole thing. Actually, off-white on off-black is my thing. And then let's just go for an embed. A dim-a-dang embed. So we actually don't want any text. Delete. Let's just go here. Label. It's going to be chatbot style inline, not hidden. Love cards so much, by the way. Thanks for putting me on it. Onto it for my link tree. Yeah, dude. I'm actually gonna make a little TikTok on that soon. I love it for that. For little simple building projects like that, it's like the most beautiful thing in the world. Although I will say I'm probably gonna get a little bit into Doric more because for building like websites that look real, code, it might be a little bit better, but I don't know. So let's paste this. Done. Save. And we'll call this Humble. The best spot to date hot tech singles in your area. To date hot elite tech singles in your area. Boom. Publish a card. And this will be humble.card.co. Is it available? Not available. Humble.card.co. Available. Publish. Okay. Let's actually go and check that out. I'm going to publish it again. View site. Does it work? Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So it does work. Been randomly selected. How does it work on my phone? Because that's the most important thing. So I'm going to go and I'm going to send this to myself. Oh no! What do I do that for? Why do I always do that? I always do that. How irritating. No, not this. Where could it possibly be? Jeezum Louisum. One tab. Here we go. Jeez. Don't need that. I just need the one tab. Restore all. There we go. Jeezum Louisum. And then I need to click this here. Boom. Humble.card.co. I'm sending it to my phone. Let's see what it looks like. Humble. Copy. Go to... No, I don't want to do that. Go to Chrome. Paste. It works beautifully. It works beautifully on my phone. What a great system. Awesome. So we build a little chatbot, a little mobile focused chatbot. No problem. What's your name? Let me type a message. Oh no, it won't let me type a message. Uh-oh. A glitch. Oh no. Uh-oh. We already have an issue. Bot is now live. Go to dashboard. Cool. End tour. Let's go to Humble again. Bot flow. What is your name? We really are excited. Let's move on to something else. Great. Now, AI, blah, blah. This is what it does, and you'll edit this later to make sure it looks like a real thing. Yay. Smiley face. Save as draft. End of bot flow. Save. Awesome. Let's refresh, and let's see if we can continue. Go. Welcome humble, AI enabled. What's your first name? Yeah, it's not letting me chat. That's a shame. Does it let me chat on the web client? Right here? Oh, it did for a second. Why doesn't it? Okay. Stuff to fix. What does this code look like? HTML, meta chart set, API widgets, body HTML. Maybe the way that I'm embedding it isn't working. Maximum scale 1.0. Maximum scale will be maybe like 0.8. Done. Publish again. See if something like that works. Okay. View site. Nope, still nice and big. So it lets me chat down here. What? Thanks. Just we really are excited. Great. Now blah 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 AI. Who cares? Yes. Okay. Start bot flow again. I gotcha. Okay. But we can't click on it. It's not clickable. Why? That is a big problem. That is a big problem. Maybe we need to embed it a different way. So let's go back to this. Let's go to save. How do I go to embed? Humble. Edit bots. I do wonder. Design and customization. Setup. Here we go. So displays a chat widget or displays a landing page. Embed in your website. Reload the website. Interesting. Very interesting. Yes. Let's try displaying it as a chat widget. In the body section, script ID. Let's try this. Okay. Chatbot. Is it iframe? No, it's just HTML code. But I need to go here. I need to go to add class. Now attributes. Chatbot. Hidden. Body ends. I want it to be the body top, right? Where do I want it embedded? In the body section. Yeah. Okay. Body top. Fine. And then it needs to be this. Done. Let's see if that works a little bit better as a little pop-up format. View sites. I ain't seeing nothing. Okay, so let's do it in the head. View site. Nothing. Jack diddly squats. Okay. So, let's just go with inline. Done. Let's try that. View site. Really, nothing. Nothing. Okay. So we've immediately run into an issue. Okay, I guess we're going to display it as a landing page, embed it on the website, and maybe we need to edit some of this stuff, which we hate. Because it was working fine. It's just you can't click on it. Done. Maybe if I click into here, hold on. Chatbot, code, iframe. It's not an iframe. Scalable, meta equiv, edge, head, body, script ID, title setup, doc type HTML, HTML language English, head. And then at the end, maybe we just say this. For some reason, I think this is going to work. Let's find out. View sites. It did not. Oh no, okay, so it worked here, but I still can't click on it. The second I click somewhere else, it deletes my ability to click. Interesting. So it still screws it with it. There's got to be a way to make it clickable. HTML language English. Let's just delete that. Character set UTF-8. Name of viewport. Meta name. Width device width. Initial scale 1.0. Maximum scale. Boom. User scalable 0. Okay, so it's not user scalable. Meta equiv. IE edge. Head body script ID. Title setup. SRC. It might just be an issue with fucking the actual tool. It might just suck. So, which is fine. Which is absolutely fine. Maybe it's an issue with the page. Maybe let's go, let's see. Center, width is all the way. Size is no. Contents center, top. So maybe we start it there. Let's try that. Publish changes. View site. I still can't type a message. What a pain. What a big fat dang pain. Humble. Ass, dude. Ass. What an ass situation. I don't know what we can do. The point is there. The point is there. I'll start futzing with this. It should be a lot of fun. Ugh. This is what you get from testing things from zero on the show. Ugh. So maybe we'll have to use a different chatbot tool. Maybe AppyPie just kind of sucks. Or maybe I'm doing something wrong, which is most likely the issue. So cool, but you get the idea, right? It's pretending to be a dating app. It's going to be text enabled, so you're just going to be able to hop on a little website with a little URL, humble.card.co, something like that, right? Should be really funny. And then just go from there, right? Post it on Twitter, tag a bunch of VCs, tag a bunch of people that it's making fun of, like Jeff Bezos and a bunch of other people. We'll make little aliases and little situations where you can decide what to, decide when to, romance different characters and things like that, and you'll go through a little sequence of flirting. Should be really funny. It would take me a little while just to write this stuff out, right? But as long as I can put it into a little chatbot format, I can make a cute little dating app version. And it should be really funny. And actually, you could download it as an app too, because I could just make it a Glide app. I'll bet I could just embed it on a Glide app, which would be really funny. It'd be really, really funny if we made it an actual app. Ooh, okay. Let's go to Glide. This is funny. This is really funny. Let's log in. I wonder if there's an embed feature in Glide. I bet there is. So we have a bunch of dumb stuff. Google Sheet, Glide tables, continue. All we need to do is embed. All we need to do is embed. So I wonder. There are no items yet. Yes. Screen. I can only add components in a detailed view. Tabs. Let's add a tab. A new tab. Great. And in this new tab, chat, shopping cart, don't want any of that. Upgrade. Ooh, signatures. Ooh, barcodes. Wow, there's a lot of really cool things here. Images and files. Wow. Okay, Glide got wacky. This is lit. Okay. This. Very cool. Well, cool. That's awesome. And we'll keep it on Apple. Menu, screen, inline list. Let me start adding items, I guess. I wonder how I do that. Things. Viewing as Max Miro. View as a user. So maybe on the new tab, I wonder if there's any way that I can edit list, calendar map. Maybe just cards. You can actually have a swipe feature. So I can swipe between people. That's hilarious. You can just whip up a dating app with card in like seconds. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just do details. I don't know. Source, users, things, tab icon, options, visibility, add conditions. Wow, Glide got a lot more intense than I thought. This is lit. This is super, super cool. Is there no way to embed? That's a shame. Embed on Glide apps. Embed into website, embed feature requests, only allow embed and Glide, images, audio, and video, so no Glide is not allowed embedding outside of those. Okay, cool. So we can't embed outside of that. But maybe Adalo has an embed. I wonder. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's find out. So actually I'm just going to use this little guy as my example. Plus, most used, from some fields, explore marketplace, I bet it's in here. Is there an embed feature playing a YouTube video? Stripe kit, play your video. Email validator, yeah. Woo-hoo. Static HTML content nicely. Maybe that's what we need. QR code generator. Countdown. That's fun. Hot. URL encode decoder. Twitter timeline random picker. Round button. Optional select grow effect when pressed. Cute. Calendar strip. View the days of a week in a calendar strip. I guess it would be the HTML renderer. Okay, installed. Maybe we put this up here. Ignore HTML tags, HTML contents. Let's go back to AppyPie. Copy code. Pop it in here. Done. Easy. And now let's go and preview. Bring almost page. Is that where it's supposed to be? I can't remember. I put it in almost... Oh, no. It's in the login screen, so I put it there. I don't want it in the login screen. Pop it right here. Now we're going to go preview it again. Basic component. Okay, HTML renderer. Okay. So maybe if I share... No, still missing component. Okay, it doesn't seem to work on Adalo either. Interesting. I wonder. Because it would be really, really funny to make it an actual app, right? Make it an actual app that people download, and it's just a meme. It's just like a super hardcore meme. I think that'd be hilarious. I wonder if there's a way we can do that. I wonder. Display its chat widgets. I'll probably schedule a call for technical support, is what I'll do. Damn. Are there any other options? No, there's no other options. Dang it. It works and it looks fine, but you can't interact with it. How disappointing. Maybe we'll have to use another different chatbot. Contains, not name, type, contains, chatbot. What else do we have here? AppyPie was the nice one. ChatFuel, chatbot platform for Facebook, Instagram, and other. Accept all, pricing, what do you got? Selected by user, general features. Email support. Scale pricing, generate leads. Sell by store, respond to Instagram DMs coming soon. That's super cool. You can just automate Instagram DMs. That's super fun. So maybe this works. Maybe. Up to 50 users. That's fine for an initial test. Why not? Automate lead gen. Lego uses them. That's pretty cool. Only popular platforms are Woodley brands: Netflix, Levi's, Adidas, Lego, BuzzFeed, Visa. Wow, these guys are popular. Ooh, look at this. This is great. Facebook page. I like it. But does it work elsewhere outside of something like Instagram? With an Instagram automation. Fine. Chat fuel looks lit. Gamelan, conversational AI, we don't need anything complicated like that. I could just use Typeform. I honestly could just use Typeform, but it doesn't seem like it's built for what I want to do. What about JuneBots? For conversion rate optimizations. Okay. How does this work? 100 conversations, 1 chatbot, unlimited blocks per chatbot, unlimited websites, widgets, limited logic jumps. We can't do that. That's a shame. So yeah, it looks like we're stuck with either AppyPie or possibly ChatFuel, which would be interesting. What about Emotive? Because I was looking at Emotive a lot. There's a ton. I'm getting booked a ton of ads for Emotive. Product, integrations, blah blah blah. Company, partner program, customer service. So you don't give me pricing until I book a call. I hate that so much. I hate it. Dumb. Alright, cool. So it looks like we are SOL for this stream, which is totally fine. But hey, we built something that does function, right? We built something that absolutely functions, so I just need to figure out how to make sure that it actually works. So I guess that's a conflict of interest right there. Works but doesn't function. Yeah. Cool shit. I don't know. We got half an hour more. We can just goof off and hang out. I'm totally fine with that. But like, if anybody else has any other dumb ideas we can build or any silly little things, we can also totally do that. I love the idea of embedding it on an app, though. Embedding it on an app. Shouldn't be that hard, right? One would think. Let's go and search through our app builders. Game creator. Maybe we'll find something here. Interactive story tool. Maybe Celeste story will work. Yeah. Immersive learning, interactive video, escape game, cards. Pricing. What is this? Free. Number of public users unlimited. Number of attractive piece 50. Number of team design. Celeste story logo. White label. That's pretty cool. Ooh, automations. Airtable. Huh. Wow. This is a full dang tool. This is so cool. Custom code. Cool. User access. Global analytics. So yeah. It looks like this might be a solid tool. We just need to make sure. Virtual assistants, immersive learning. What if you ever at the same time? Blah, 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 blah. Virtual assistants, no code game. Lead generation automation. So yeah, it looks like we can make leads generation, which is kind of cool, which is kind of super cool. So maybe Celeste Story actually might be our team, our product. And there's a free pricing, right? There's free pricing we can probably use. Best return on investment. Starter plan free. Yeah, fuck it. Let's sign in. Let's give it a shot. Might as well. I don't have a Celeste Story account, so fuck me. Begin to create. There we go. Choose a plan. Downgrade, of course. Sign into Celeste Story. I guess I just... sign up. Oh, okay. Name, email, password strength, hold up, grab one, generate secure password, boom. Let's go over to here, sign up. Validation email has been sent. Wow, this is a weird tool. Go over here, grab this. Okay. Celeste Story. Okay, Celeste Story. Great. Confirm email. Great. Okay, now I'm supposed to sign in with my sweet ad. Okay, so Celestori's kicking me out over here, and I'm gonna bring it back over here. Let's see if this works. Country, Andorra, no. United, nope. Man, jeez. USA, United States. United States of America. Cool. Birth year, 1984. No. 1997. What industry do you work? Education. Yes. What's your job? Sure. We'll call myself a CEO. What would you like to create? A no-code game. Actually, a virtual assistant, I think. It would be a virtual assistant. Default, dark, Darkula, Sapphire, Spider-Man. Ooh, I like these options. I like dark options. Ooh. 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 Kind of hot. I like Spider-Man. Why is that Spider-Man? Alright, we'll go with Spider-Man. Alright, Pierre. You gonna dunk me out, Celestori? Are you not a good tool? Here we go. My goodness. Demos. Oh, my projects. Let's create new project. Name, Humble. Credits of your experience. Description of the project. Who cares? So this is the start. Great. Add block. Alert, assign, choice, condition, and a list, Airtable. Ooh, this is so complex. My god. Dialogue. Oh. This is so complex. How does that... Wow, this is pretty intense. Jeez. This goes hard. Celestori goes hard. Jeezum Louisum. Block dialogue doesn't connect to any other blocks. Add custom title. First character. New character. Create your first character. Name. Humble. Entrance fade. Dialogue appearance. Use custom border image. Name Humble. Okay. Cool. Sounds great. Oh, it's giving me more people to create. I'm gonna remove. I'm actually gonna make a bunch of other characters. This will be Beth Jesus. Beth Jesus. This will be Elon Husk. And this will be what should it be? I want to make fun of like a really popular VC. Capitalists on Twitter. Popular venture capitalists on Twitter. Guy Kawasaki. Okay, that's not bad actually. Mark Andreessen. Okay. Yeah, Mark Andreessen. Should we just be like Ark Mandreessen? I feel like that's not clever enough. Let's find out. Let's look a little bit more into this. Jason Calacanis. Yes, Jason Calacanis is perfect. Okay. Jason Calacanis. How can I make fun of him? I don't know enough about him. Jason Calacanis. That's... Oh my gosh. At Jason. Fuck. How can we make fun of Jason Calacanis? Oh my god. Oh, this is great. Damn it. Maybe like... Maybe JSON, like the code format? Is that clever? I don't think that's clever. I don't think it's clever. We're not being clever. We're not being clever. Okay, so now we have characters. So I'm going to select a character. It's going to be humble. Great. The dialogue option will be select an image. Great. And I can add images. Okay, this is going to take some getting used to for sure. When I publish this, what does it look? Embeddable on any online platform, multiple formats, connect to your database. Beautiful. Okay. PWA. I guess. Available offline. Ooh. Starting module humble. Progressive web app name. Progressive web app short name. Progressive web app icon. URL. Select story watermark requires subscription. Yes, I know. Steam. I can publish it on Steam. Wow, that's really cool. Publish it to the web. We'll just publish it on the web. Does it require me to upgrade to publish it on the web? That's rude. Starting menu home. Windows title. App version. Hide select story watermark. Windows, Mac OS, VR. Wow, you can publish. Here, let's do a direct link maybe. Export. So yeah, in order to do it on the web or anywhere else, it makes me upgrade, which is a little annoying. Maybe a direct link works though. I wonder. What does it look like when I export it? What a fascinating tool. What an absolutely fascinating tool. This might be just some overpowered, underrated no-code tool, which is great. We'd love to find those. Here we go. Apps link. Sweet. There's nothing here. Okay, because we don't have anything. Start. Play from this block. How do I connect blocks together? This is so interesting. And this is dialogue. Humble. Sound effects. You can add sound effects. That's so funny. Custom title. Hello. Isn't connected to any other block. How do I connect blocks? I wonder how I connect blocks. Transform block. Nope. Play from this block. Nothing happens. Yes, I know. I understand. How do I connect blocks together? What an interesting tool. I'm like really like interested. This is very exciting for me. Whoa. And it's like easy to use, move around. It's like I'm impressed so far. How do I connect this to other blocks? Blackbox the selection, play from this block. Maybe like, no? Weird. Very weird. Add module? Template, chatbot. Yeah, ooh, visual novel. Yeah! Chatbot or visual novel. That's really funny. Test. Start graph. Module settings. Okay. Humble. Remove module. So we'll delete that. Confirm. Module settings. Global graphs. So start and then add a block. And it's going to be choice with dialogue. Clickable zone. A comment. A connector. A CSS. Decrement dialogue. Edit character. Expression format. Get from list. Image, increment, input number, Integromat. Yay! It's like a Zapier clone. This is so cool. Play music, play sound, random number, random path. Wow, you can do a lot here. Story. Text. Okay. Oh, hey, now it works. Okay. Sweet. So now the story works. So this is some text. Let's see where it shows up. Disconnect, start out. Add a custom title. That's fine. Play. Wow, this is like a developer tool. Variables. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything pop up. So interesting. Start and the story pops up. Maybe we need something else first. I don't know. I'm fussing with this. Maybe Celeste Story is the tool we go with. This is pretty cool. I'm like having a lot of fun. But I'm very clearly going to need to watch some tutorials on how the fuck any of this works. Because goddamn, this is a little bit complex. What do you got for me? You ready to find the examples so I can guide you to choose the right one? Yes. So I'll use some examples. Cool. I don't really have much else to say. I gotta go to the bathroom really badly. We're cutting this a little bit short. Is there anything else I wanted to talk about? I might be scheduling a call. I talked yesterday with a guy over at Berkeley, which is really cool. Really cool professor over at Berkeley. He knows Guy Kawasaki. Like, he's a very successful son of a gun. And we might be doing something together. We'll see. It'll be really exciting. So, hey, yeet. Freaking yeet. Yeah. We'll build something here. I gotta, like, really hustle down on the PPC marketing simulation. I really gotta finish this sucker out. I have it connected to building. I really gotta connect it to everything in the back ends. Upgrade now. How much is it going to cost? Free with $1 branding. What about the custom domain? Yes. 20 gigabytes of data storage, 5 gigabytes of data storage, up to 50 rows. I guess I would need to upgrade. Learn more. Zapier, the Adalo API, Integra Mat, custom actions, make panel, external connections with APIs. What do I need? What I'm assuming it would be the $39 per month. Upgrade now, $39 per month. I'm willing to take that L. That's not that bad. 30% free storage. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we got a futz. But basically what's going on here is, this is the front end, right? It looks really nice. It looks really cute. I can preview it for you. We scroll through and we edit different things, and it's really awesome, right? The only issue is, every time I do this, it deletes all the data, right? As you can kind of see here, it just makes it not exist. So I need to set a very simple, I need to change the backend and futz with it a little bit so the data here actually stays, and then we're basically done. Once that data is connected, and I like make sure the views and everything actually works, the ads aren't working as well. The ads are disconnected from everything else. It's a little bit weird. Once the ads are connected, because the ad sets are connected and the campaigns are connected just fine. Once the ads are connected a little bit better, I think I messed up how the data is connected to itself. And I can fix the issue where the data is disappearing. We're essentially done, and I can start putting this into universities. Actually, John, my good friend, the entreprofessor, as he calls himself, which I love, I fucking love. He has a little show online. He's building it out. I was on one of the episodes. Just a wonderful ball of sunshine. So excited about everything. I adore him. He's going to be the first beta tester. And then we're also going to try to beta test it, I think, at University of Washington, I think. UWash, I think. Maybe University of Seattle. I think it's University of Washington. I think they have a marketing department, and they were down to test. Or at least she gave me, like, verbal confirmation. The professor that I was talking to. She's the director of the marketing department. So, hey, if that fucking works, lit. Awesome. We're going to build a landing page on the show. We're going to build a bunch of other things out. Maybe that's what we end up doing for next week. Like, maybe I get enough progress going on this. Because I really just need to spend, like, fucking, like, just a few more gosh dang minutes, a couple more hours just building this out and figuring it out. Watching a few tutorials, maybe. But as soon as I can get the data to stop deleting, then, actually, there's 3 things I need to do. I need to make sure ads work. I need to make sure the data stops deleting, and then I need to make sure that the data is updating whenever it's active. So whenever there's an active period, it will slowly add to the data, right, to simulate an actual ad running. And I need to look into Airtable automations and find out how to do that. So whenever this is active, then add +1 to each for every little bit, right? Maybe I needed to add a Zapier integration to that. I don't know. But that shouldn't be that hard, just adding numbers, right? I should be able to do that probably within Airtable. So with that done, we'll have a simulation. We'll have a full ass simulation. Our first like SaaS product theoretically, right? If I can charge like monthly for it. But then I'm just gonna start beta testing it with kiddos. I'm sure it's gonna fail horribly or something's gonna go terribly wrong. So we're gonna have to futz with it from there. But should be really interesting. Should be really, really interesting. I'm really excited to actually start beta testing a real product with like businesses. It's gonna be fucking hype. So yeah. But I have been assured that selling to universities is like the hardest thing in the world. Like the number one is government. Selling to government is the hardest, and then it's like compliance or safety, like that's number 2, and then it's like universities. So fuck me, whatever. We're gonna give it a shot, but should be really cool. I'm excited. So yeah, just gotta fucks with it. Just gotta fucks with it. Yeah, it's a good time. It's a whole good time. Sorry, we kind of spun our wheels on this one. I enjoyed it. I'm glad we checked out a few more little tools, and maybe I'll find something that works. But we're gonna create an app, an appish kind of thing that looks like that looks like a chatbot, that looks like a little chatbot kind of system. That is a chatbot system that looks like a little app called Humble, or Fumble. We could call it Fumble. Fumble's way better than Humble. Fumble's way better than Humble. What am I talking about? What a great idea. I'm writing that down. A startup dating sim. Fumble. A startup dating sim. Great. Love it. And we'll include Jason Calacanis. We'll make fun of him. We'll do a bunch of other things. It's going to be great. And I think we're probably going to use Celestori because it looks like I can add multiple characters and I can make a chatbot like a dating sim to make it a little bit smoother. Just as long as it works. Like, fuck it. So I'm going to probably futz around with that a little bit more, and we'll dig into that. Maybe we'll do it on the weekend stream. But, yeah. Liddy. Litus. Litosity. Super exciting. Super, super cool. A lot of fun. Thanks for joining. I got nothing else to say. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I'm having a wonderful day. I have so much work to do. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to do so much work last night, and then I felt sick, so I just passed out. And now I am buried. It's actually not that much work, but it feels like a lot. Emotionally, it's a lot of work. All right, cool. Sweet. Awesome possum. It's been great. It's been real. I'll see y'all on the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Peace out, Boy Scouts.